Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to try to fix the steering issue with the Forester. Stay tuned. Alright guys, just doing a little bit of a clean up. It's getting pretty messy. Saying goodbye to the GT35. Gonna pack that up, put that away for maybe another time. We'll see. Yeah, just sorting clips, washers, bolts, nuts, and cleaning up the bench because yeah, it's getting pretty messy. Gonna get rid of this K24. It's in here. And an EJ20 I need to get rid of as well. Yeah, just need to clear some space. Actually more, I need to get organised. It takes me quite a while to find some things sometimes. I know roughly where they are, but yeah, if I know I need a clip, it's in there. So yeah. Also, tell me your thoughts on me going back to a single turbo on the compound turbo Forester. Do you like it? Do you just want to see me drive it? Or do you want the compound system back on there? Comment below. Alright guys, so just moved the Forester out to keep cleaning, and the steering was really bad, and then when I got to the gate there, it freed up and it was fine. So later tonight I'm going to do some sanding now for the Skyline. Later tonight I'll see if I can take it for a drive. Fingers crossed the steering stays good. Alright, so I've been working on the Skyline's bumper for the last 4 or 5 hours. So I've sent it all back. This is second coat of primer. This is just a very light one. And we'll hit it with a heavier one, and then tomorrow I'll come back and sand it again, ready for a base coat. Still not sure what I'm doing for base coat just yet. Obviously decide that in the next day or so. Alright, we're getting pretty close with the paint. There's a final sand on the primer. Should be ready for some colour, but right now let's see if we can get this Forester out for a drive. Alright guys, so we are at 82 degrees on coolant, so let's see if we can go. The steering feels good, so fingers crossed we are good. Just make sure I don't I dug a hole back there from turning it so much. A little bit smoky, but hopefully I can blow that out. I've still got wiring and stuff at my feet, so gotta be careful. I'm gonna turn this down a bit, it's pretty bright. Yeah. Alright, let's get a log going. It already feels so much better. Come on, mate. What are you doing? Steering doesn't feel right. was a good one. It's still behaving the same. Maybe it's all in the tune. It's definitely in the tune. Yeah, it feels nothing like my other Forester. It might be the auto, but yeah, something's not right with the power steering. But hey, we got out for a drive. It's been a while. Definitely tuned. Alright, so I'm just having a quick look at the log, and by the looks of it, we got up to 6 psi. 6 psi, 38% on the throttle, injector flow 12%. We're at 13. I'm gonna have a look at some WRX. Oh, this one might be a bit more here. It's no duty cycle. Boost control! Yeah, got no duty cycle. Alright, I don't know why, but now I can actually bring up a compared map, but I was sitting out in the car before and I compared it with the WRX, and now we have a full table of boost control. So yeah, and we've got our target of 13 psi, so not a lot, but it's a start. We only hit 6 before, so yeah, we've got duty cycle there, so it will be doing something. The base fueling, target, and the ignition are all very, very similar, so hopefully it's just boost control. So yeah, we'll see how we go. And then obviously we'll get the engine out and do cams and all that, and then it will get sent off to a dyno tune. Only thing I'm worried about is it doesn't have any knock sensors, which is pretty important for a Subaru. Alright guys, so I'm going to actually wrap this episode up here. If you enjoyed the content in this episode, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And I'll catch you next episode. And if you're keen, got some new hats going, so they are down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.